we are discussing here the method that is bisection method. Now this method gives us solution of algebraic and transcendental or the non-algebraic equations. Solution means it gives us roots or factor of that polynomial. So to find the roots, we'll use this bisection method under the heading numerical techniques. Formula for bisection method is x1 is equals to a plus b upon 2. A and b, these are the interval values. In that interval, our that root lies or the factor implies. So this is the formula for bisection method. We'll understood the procedure for this method by using a simple problem. Let f of x is equals to randomly I have taken here one example. So for this example, how this method implies, that we'll see here. Initially we have to start substituting values x equal to 0 in this polynomial. So first value it is minus of 9, but I am not taking this minus 9. Suppose that value it is positive a1 or it is negative a1. Next value f of 1 equals to f of 2 equals to f of 4 equals to. Now we'll stop here. We'll not go ahead for f of 5 value, because when the sign get changed or when it become opposite sign, we'll stop here. So here the interval is 3, 4. So root lies between 3, 4. So this is our first interval where the root lies. This procedure we will complete for every polynomial, and the procedure is same in the bisection method. What that procedure is? Initially substitute 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. When we will get opposite sign, minus, minus, minus 2 plus opposite sign, we will stop our procedure and we claim here the root is, interval is 3, 4. Now in this interval, assume this is the value of A and this is the value of B. Then first approximate value x1 equals to 3 plus 4 upon 2, and we have x1 it is 3.5. Now this value we'll put in the table format. We'll understand the table. A value it is 3, B value 4, first xi, then approximation, x1 is 3.5. Next, first interval is 3, 4. Now we have to go ahead for x2. For this x2, what is value of A and B? So for that discussion, we are putting here symbol. F of 3 symbol is minus, and that minus we are giving in the top of that number. That minus is nothing but only a symbol, it is not a sign. F of 4, the symbol is plus, and we conclude here the interval is opposite sign, so that we taken here these two numbers and x1 become 3.5. Now we require the symbol for 3.5, so substitute this 3.5 in the polynomial, and that value, suppose it is minus of A6. Minus of A6. What we completed? this xi value 3.5 is substituted in the polynomial, and we got here minus sign. So that minus will give for this 3.5. So that become a symbol. Now in the next part we consider opposite two numbers, minus and plus. So our interval become this one, 3.5 minus and 4 plus. So this is our next interval. We can consider plus and minus. These are the two opposite, but if we take these two numbers as it is, again we will get this 3.5. So we have to choose minus plus. These are the two opposite. So the lowest number is 3.5. First we will write. Next it is 4. So this become our next A and B value. Substitute in x2. A plus B upon 2. Value of A it is 3.5 plus value of B it is 4 upon 2, and which it gives us 3.75. 3.75. Again we required the symbol for this 3.75. So substitute this 3.75 in the polynomial. So that value, suppose I am assuming it is plus A7. Give this plus symbol to this 3.75 plus and this minus. These are the two opposite. So we required always opposite sign numbers. 3.5 minus 3.75 plus. These are the two opposite symbols. So these two will consider as A and B value. Next value for x3. Substitute A, B upon 2, and that value suppose approximately I am considering 3.675. Again we required for the next approximation A and B symbol for this. So substitute this in the polynomial. Here 3.675 substituted in the polynomial, and we got here suppose plus A8. This A8 can be any real number, so that plus sign again will give to this plus symbol, minus symbol. These are the two opposites. So 3.5 minus 3.675 plus. So that become our new A and B values, and we'll continue and we'll go ahead with this x4 approximations. Substitute A value here, B value here, continue, then we'll get next number, this one. So we discuss here 3 approximations by using the bisection method. So this is a technique actually. This technique is with the symbol, and we'll understood